How to delete pics in Facebook Messenger group. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete pics from Facebook Messenger group. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to delete pics from a group, so first of all, let's head over to a group. And when you head over to a group, you should be finding all of the pictures that you've shared in Messenger when you go to this view media files and links. So here you will be probably finding all of the media and links that you've shared on Messenger. So if you want to delete those, when we head over to this section, when we usually go over to the media that we have, added or shared, we can't do it from here. So you need to manually hover over to the picture that you've shared by going through the chats first and long press on it and go to the more section here, and you should be finding this option called delete. So you can select this option called delete for everyone or you. So you can just do this and that is it. So apart from this, that is the method. Apart from this, another method is you need to delete the whole group. So if you're the admin of the group, you can just go ahead and delete the whole group like this by long pressing on it. And when you do that, it will delete all of the chats, including the pics that you have shared in that group. So that is how you basically delete pictures from groups. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.